card going down.
Real, Sam, real, please. Up and slow.
Up slow.
Real down, real. Okay, real.
Card down. You can by the boat if it's involved. We can get the whole school here.
Rust.
No, there's no rest in here, man. You're fighting. That thing's fighting for its life. There ain't no, you'll rest later.
I think I am too.
You'll rest later. Get that baby in this boat. I haven't even seen the bus of service yet.
It ain't no dolphin, I don't think.
No,
this may be a wahoo or big blackfin.
You see him? If he's tired, when he gets the boat below him, people is fine.
Yeah, no, he's got it. Crank. You're okay. You're okay. Just keep that line tight. Crank. Swap off. It's okay.
Now, hey, we can't cut your line if you can't handle it.
Yeah, I don't see it. There's a big right there. It's not.
Well, is it good right now?
He's got it. Gets close to that.
Antes que ahí tu mano le estorba.
When he gets close to the motor, he's going to try to run again.
Creo que sí, lo viste, Rico. Me parecía abrir la nevera y una lata ahí.
Listen. Hand grip.
Real.
We're going to get him in the cooler instantly. Come on, keep reeling. Don't let it go slack now, because he'll bust it in a second. Keep it tight. Oh yeah, so you hear that motor, you know no part of this. Big tuna, nice.
Oh Lord.
I see him flashing. Hold him tight.
Yeah, this is the one I saw. You got it. Oh yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, still one. No more
wine. Yeah.
That's it. Very nice.
Awesome
very
job,
nice.
dude.
Yes. Yeah.
That's a beautiful blackfin.
That's the biggest blackfin I've seen.
That's a nice one. Trophy fish. Look at
Yes.
that.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, man.